Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm your carrier account has a 5G plan and that your device supports the correct wave or sub-6 bands. Once done, install the SIM or eSIM profile and enable 5G mode in network settings. Make sure to locate nearby coverage using your carrier's map and note band types. For remote use, you should prepare a power bank and optional external antenna or mobile hotspot to improve signal. This gets you into live testing quickly. You now optimize the live connection by choosing the appropriate band and network mode, standalone or non-standalone, through advanced settings if available. Next, reposition your device for the best line of sight. Try near windows, higher floors, or an outdoor rooftop to reduce obstructions. Then run multiple speed tests and carrier diagnostics to observe latency and throughput variations. If performance is inconsistent, swap SIMs or try a dedicated 5G hotspot to isolate device versus network issues. This diagnostic middle step reveals. You finish by locking preferred bands or APN settings, updating firmware and device drivers, and enabling quality of service options on routers or hotspots to stabilize connections. Once configured, record the optimal locations and saved profiles so you can repeat success quickly when traveling. For a quick troubleshooting tip, if you lose service, reboot the device, reseat the SIM or eSIM, and retry diagnostics. If problems persist, capture signal logs and contact your carrier with band and time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.